I'm Manisha. I've been a teacher for 20 years, and I'm also the CEO and co-founder of Modulo. Modulo is a tool we built to make it easy for you to design your child's education, whether you're looking for a supplement or a replacement for traditional school. On Modulo, you can search for vetted, personalized curriculum that will ideally fit your child's unique learning style. Every child learns differently. Some are highly gifted, some have special needs, some love playing outdoors, some love reading books, others adore watching YouTube videos. Whatever your child's learning style is, we'll make it easy for you to find a challenging and engaging curriculum that can help them reach their full potential. You can either find a complete curriculum or you can mix and match from different subjects. We have curriculum that you can use with your child playing outside or learning apps that they can do inside. And all of our curriculum is very easy for a parent or a caregiver to follow or for a child to do independently. You don't have to be a teacher. It's aligned with state standards, so you could be confident that your child is performing at grade level. And many of our curriculum even has built-in assessment tools, so you can see how your child is doing relative to their peers. You can also use Modulo to find friends. A lot of us are feeling very lonely post-pandemic, and Modulo is a great way to connect with a diverse and passionate community of parents, either living near you or around the world, for playdates, for hangouts, for skill shares even. Lastly, you can use Modulo to find teachers. All of the teachers and mentors on Modulo are trained in a child-centered approach to education, so they know how to communicate with children at different developmental stages. They also know how to use inquiry-based learning and project-based learning to inspire children and help them reach their full potential. Our teachers are really great at identifying your child's unique learning style and tapping into their intrinsic motivation so they can really reach their full potential. The relationship between a child and a teacher is so important, and we're excited to help connect you with teachers who are really going to become not just mentors, but friends for your child and inspire their learning. Last of all, we're here to support you. Our team of child life specialists, learning experts, and teachers can hold your hand every step of the way from your child's birth to their high school graduation, providing resources, support, and just a hand to hold if you need a little extra support. So get started today. It's free to search for curriculum and teachers and other resources to support you as you embark on this exciting journey of designing your child's education.